Ever notice how many corporate materials look, well, unappealing? You pour countless hours into creating them only to see minimal engagement and even lower conversion rates. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be that company with unprofessional materials circulating around. What if I told you that you can create stunning digital magazines that people actually want to read? Imagine letting your audience explore your property directly in your magazine, or creating a secure internal magazine that only your team can access. With Flipsnack's ready-to-use templates that you can find in the description, by the way, you can create professional designs that get results. Let's start by showcasing premium products to your high-value clients through an interactive digital magazine. For real estate professional, this means presenting properties in a way that captures their true value. Look at this. In Flipsnack's Design Studio, you can embed virtual property tours right into your magazine. Your clients can explore every corner of the property without leaving the page. Plus, by adding an interactive map, they can see exactly where the property is located. No more repetitive messages from clients asking for every single detail. And here's where Flipsnack gets really practical. I finished most of the magazine and I'm ready to share it, but I need my colleague from the marketing team to review it first. Let me just add my teammate as an editor and leave specific notes right on the pages that need a second look. Imagine your team collaborating like this. No more endless confusing back and forth. In the case of sharing confidential information within your organization, security is crucial. For internal communications, this means ensuring your company magazines reach only the intended employees. Think about it, sharing sensitive updates through PDF attachments over and over and over again, resulting in unauthorized forwarding that puts your confidential information at risk. This is where secure digital magazines truly make a difference. With enterprise-grade SSO integration, ensuring that only authorized team members access your internal magazines. Now you can control exactly who sees what content, giving you peace of mind that your company updates stay within the right teams. And by the way, this template you can also find in the description of the video. Statistics are the key when it comes to understanding your audience. As an example, for fashion brands, understanding collection performance is a must. Check out these built-in analytics in Flipsnack. You can see exactly which styles are capturing attention in your digital magazines. Track how long buyers spend on each page, identify trending pieces by viewing what elements they clicked on, and when the time comes, you can optimize your magazine to make sure it performs. This is perfect for fashion houses sharing their latest collections with buyers and retail partners. With Flipsnack, you're not just creating another document, you're creating engaging digital magazines that look professional and drive real results. Your materials will finally get the attention they deserve, and most importantly, the conversions you need. Ready to take your brand communication to the next level? Grab your digital magazine templates, and if you're serious about enterprise-grade materials, start your Flipsnack journey today.